A godly man is different. He doesn't lead with pride, he leads with purpose. He understands that his strength was never meant to intimidate, it was meant to protect. He doesn't seek validation from the world because his identity is rooted in Jesus. A godly man knows that authority without humility is dangerous, so he leads with grace, he speaks with patience, and he acts with integrity even when no one is watching. He is firm in his convictions, yet tender in his care. He knows how to fight and he knows when to kneel. A godly man loves differently. He loves with intention, with sacrifice, and with consistency. He doesn't run when things get hard. He digs deeper. His protection goes beyond the physical. He guards your peace, he prays over your spirit, and he honors your heart even in your absence. He doesn't use his power to control. He uses it to uplift. He isn't perfect, but he's anchored. He falls, but he gets back up and seeks growth. He doesn't try to play God. He points you back to him.